I cleaned my apartment with a simple home cleansing ritual and money started pouring in from unexpected sources. I know this might sound unbelievable, but hear me out. After following the exact steps I'm about to teach you, clearing clutter, smudging the energy, decluttering, and using natural cleaning solutions infused with positive affirmations, my income doubled within 3 weeks. Opportunities fell into my lap that I couldn't have imagined before. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to do this quick home cleansing ritual step by step, so you can experience the same financial breakthrough in your own life. Don't let another month go by struggling financially, when this simple solution can open the floodgates of abundance, as soon as today. Now, did you know that the average American spends over 90% of their life indoors? That means our homes have an enormous impact on our mood, mindset, and what we attract into our lives. See, our home is an extension and reflection of our inner world. When clutter piles up or dirt accumulates in the corners, it mirrors financial stuckness and scarcity consciousness in our minds. I learned this life-changing truth firsthand years ago, when I was hustling every day but still struggling to attract abundance. Then everything changed when I put intention and care into cleansing my home. Money began to pour in from unexpected places. As the architect Christopher Alexander profoundly stated, the process of enriching the home should not begin from without, but should come from within. This reminds us that outer prosperity starts with doing the inner work of shifting our energy and mindset. The physical space will follow. So, let's explore the deeper metaphysical truths behind this home ritual and why it allowed the universe to shower me in riches. First, let's understand the mind-home connection. Our outer world is a reflection of our inner world. This means our living spaces mirror what's happening internally, both consciously and unconsciously. When our home is filled with clutter and chaos, it's often a manifestation of financial confusion, limiting beliefs around money or scarcity consciousness. On the other hand, when our environment is clean, organized, and uplifting, it cultivates clarity, prosperity thinking, and abundance. Think about it. When piles of stuff accumulate in your home, bills and paperwork get lost in the shuffle, you can't find what you need when you need it. Things that could be useful sit broken or collecting dust. Opportunities and inspiration can literally get buried under the clutter. Clearing out the physical mess helps you declutter your mind too. Getting organized externally lets you structure your ideas, goals, and plans more cleanly in your imagination and on paper. It's like wiping a foggy mirror to reveal your true reflection looking back. As within, so without. As above, so below. Our outer world manifests from our inner world. So when we change our living environment, we transform what we attract at deeper, more profound levels. Now, we need to understand how energy flows. Everything is composed of energy, whether we can see it with our physical eyes or not. Objects, emotions, thoughts, and spaces all vibrate at a subtle, unseen frequency. When it comes to our homes, stagnant, heavy energy can build up easily, especially if a space hasn't been properly energetically cleared in a long time. This energy lowers our vibration. It blocks the natural ebb and flow that wants to move through our environment, much like a dam stops the stream of water. When our home's energy is blocked or slowly vibrating, our finances suffer in turn. Opportunities and money flow seem equally stalled or stunted. However, when fresh, moving energy bounces around our sacred space freely, it mirrors and manifests that same dynamism with financial flows. Think of it like the fast, smooth currents of a river allowing abundance to travel steadily into our lives. With some simple changes, we can shift the frequency of any home from scarcity to prosperity, like turning a dial from one radio station vibrating struggle to another vibrating infinite bounty and riches. Now I'll provide clear step-by-step instructions on how to transform your home into an energetic palace primed to attract riches. If you don't have all the supplies listed, don't worry. I'll provide some common household alternatives you can use instead. What you'll need: sea salt or table salt, sage bundle or incense stick / Palo Santo stick, essential oils like lemon, orange, peppermint, or lemon / citrus fruit peels, bell or singing bowl, pot and spoon, glass jar or bowl. Step 1. Open all doors and windows first, if weather permits. This brings fresh air and circulation. Turn on all overhead lights too. Light and air begin awakening the energy. Step 2. Walk to each room and ring the bell loudly 3 to 5 times. Really let the sound reverberate, or use your voice, clapping or banging a wooden spoon on a pot. We want to startle stagnant energies to get them moving. Step 3. Now take your sage or incense/Palo Santo around to each room. Light with intention to cleanse and renew the energy. Waft and fill every corner of the space to drive out old lower vibrations. Step 4. For extra cleansing boost, put essential oils, lemon peels, orange slices, etc. into a spray bottle filled with water. Mist windows, doorways, walls, and furniture. I love the bright scent and vibration of citrus. Salt water works too. Step 5. Declutter every single room. Get ruthless. Donate, trash, or organize items with purpose, but remove everything that's just sitting there getting dusty, collecting bad energy. Clutter clearing is crucial. Step 6. Vacuum, sweep, and mop all floors and surfaces. Infuse your cleaning solutions with lemon juice for added uplifting aroma. As you clean, visualize wiping all remaining stuck energy away. Step 7. Finish by placing glass jars or bowls filled with sea salt in corners of each room. The salt will continue soaking up and neutralizing lower vibrations. And that's the ritual. Once you've completed all the steps infusing love and intention, notice how much lighter and vibrant your home feels. This instantly impacts what you and money are magnetically drawn to next. Now, in the weeks after performing this ritual, my entire reality shifted financially. Remember, I changed nothing else about my business or work routine. The difference was clearing out dense energy from my home and replacing it with elevated vibration. Within 3 weeks, my income suddenly doubled. I landed a dream client I'd been trying to schedule for months. Long-shot opportunities one wouldn't have bothered pursuing before unexpectedly panned out. Money now flowed to me easily and frequently from random sources, an old contact resurfacing, a successful proposal I'd forgotten about, new revenue streams popping up fully formed. It was like the floodgates unleashed into my life the moment I infused my space with moving, fresh energy. By clearing my outer world, I removed inner blocks I didn't even realize had been stunting my prosperity. Try this yourself. I hope by now you understand just how powerfully our living spaces impact what we create, attract, and welcome into our lives, including money and wealth. So I challenge you to try this home cleansing ritual yourself for the next 30 days. Invest fully by getting all the suggested supplies and committing to each step mindfully. Notice how uplifted, peaceful, and positive you feel afterwards. Then pay close attention over the next month for sudden boosts of income, lucrative opportunities, or game-changing connections. When we bless our sacred space externally, abundance comes flooding in internally too. Let me know your exciting results in the comments.